Alright, hi guys! Thanks for joining me for the next part in this video tutorial on how to paint a garden rock. This is, I don't know what part, I'm going to label it in the description, but I wanted to add some extra flowers to the outside edges of my rock, as you can see. And it's a little bit of a tricky area to work with when you're trying to apply an image transfer with freezer paper. So what I'm going to do is I found this really cute stencil at Hobby Lobby, and they're peel and stick. If they weren't peel and stick, then I would probably have to apply it with Scotch tape to hold it in place because the corners are rounded. But I just wanted to add some extra flowers, and I wanted to show you very quickly how easy it is. So I already added some ivy leaves, and I used a different stencil that I already had to do some of the other flowers like you see on the outside. And the stencil's kind of old, but I'll show it to you. It's really old, and it's actually got paint still on it, but it worked well for the purpose, and I just taped it on to the side. And I outlined it the way I'm going to do with this one. But I just wanted to show you really quick how easy it is, because once you want to add the flowers, all you do, you don't even have to use a regular stencil method. You could just take the stencil, stick it where you want it to be, and then just use a pen to outline the flower. And of course you can use the stencil more than once. You can lift it up. I like the peel and stick though. That's a really cool way to do this because you want to keep it in place. And just outline it, and then use your art pens to color it in. So as you can see, I'll hold it up. All you have to do is just draw the flowers with a stencil as your guide. And then when you want to fill it in, all you have to do is take a pen, an art pen, and I'm just going to show you really quick. I'm going to make it pink because I have a pink pen available. Here's my art marker. I'll include links in the description where you can buy these things. And all you do is just color it in. Now you could use a regular stencil method, and use a tapping method with regular acrylic paints. But I do a lot of painting on my rocks in the evenings. It's my hobby, and I like to do it in my bedroom because I don't have an art room right now, so I can sit on my bed actually and just, color in my rocks and do it that way while I'm watching my favorite program or something. So I can't do them all like this, but actually I just wanted to show you really quickly how it came out. Whoops. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for joining me. Take care.